everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to give you an update. Now, you may remember a few weeks back, I did a video talking about how I wanted to use up my washi tape stash. Well, I've been slowly but surely getting through it, but it really doesn't even look like I've made much of a dent in my collection. So I had an idea of another way I can get through it a little bit more quickly, or at least, you know, kind of share the wealth and kind of not hoard so much washi tape, I guess would be the best way to put it. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing, and I'm actually going to do a giveaway. So if you are interested in winning some washi tape, well, keep watching because I have something that might be kind of cool. So what I have done is I have been going through my washi tape stash, and what I've done is I've put little samples of washi tape on, I think these are called bobbins. They're like embroidery thread bobbins, and I bought them at Michael's, and they're not that expensive. And so what I've been doing is I've been taking washi tape samples and I've been making little sample cards with them. And what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to have a giveaway for all of these samples here that I've made, because like I said, you can see in my collection I obviously have way more washi tape than I can use. And so I thought this would be kind of fun to just kind of share with you all some of my washi tape collection. So if you are curious about what I'm using, these are called floss bobbins. Again, I picked this up at Michael's, and they actually have two kinds. They have a cardboard bobbin, which is the one I got, and then they actually have these that are made out of plastic. So if you don't want the cardboard ones, you could use a plastic one, like if you're gonna, you know, reuse it, or if you want something a little bit more durable. But they're called floss bobbins. They come in a pack of 56. This pack was $1.99 at Michael's, but of course I used a coupon. I think I used 40% off, and then I had an additional 20% off my entire purchase. So one pack of these, I want to say, probably cost me around $1 at the most. But even for $1.99, that's not a bad price. And then, you know, you just punch them out, and then you wrap your washi tape with it. Now, like I said, I cannot take credit for this idea. I actually saw favorite daughter Emily, I think that's the name of her channel. She did this a while ago, and she actually went through her entire washi tape stash, and she did this, and then she actually has them organized in like a plastic container by color, and I think, you know, size and stuff like that, which I may eventually do, but you are, or at least I will need a lot of these floss bobbins. So I didn't really like choose any specific washies. I just started pulling them out of my plastic bin and started wrapping them. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give these away to one of you. And some of them I did put some Halloween washi in here in case you wanted to, you know, use it for an upcoming you know, Halloween spread or something like that. But I am going to give these away. So if you would like to be entered in the giveaway to win these washi tape samples, and I may do more, so I may be sending you more than just what you see here, but you are going to get at minimum this pile here. If you do want to win the giveaway, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and then leave me a comment below and let me know how you use washi tape. Whether you use it in your planner, scrapbooking, if you just want to use it maybe for gift wrap, you know, or wrapping gifts at the holiday time. If you want to trade, whatever, you know, however you use it, just leave a comment down below letting me know how you use washi tape. I'm only going to have one winner, and I'm thinking about doing this maybe every month because it does take time to wrap these little bobbins, but you know, what I did, this probably took me less than an hour because it goes by quick once you get started. And so what I do is I just watch a couple of YouTube videos while I'm wrapping these little cardboards. So this might be something you may want to consider if you're like me. You have a lot of washi tape, and if you want to trade or give it away, or I don't know, take it with you so you don't have the big rolls, this is something you can definitely do. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those down in the comments below. And if you'd like to see other types of content that I share, feel free to visit my blog. It's DesireePeoples.com, and I'll have a link for you down below. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you enter the giveaway, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.